Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on fast charging on your Redmi Note 14 Pro mobile phone. So if you want to charge your Redmi Note 14 Pro a bit faster, then let me show you how to do this. Please be aware by turning on the settings, your phone will get hot. So to turn it on, go ahead and tap on settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see battery. From here, you want to go ahead and find charging options. And then go ahead and tap on wired charging mode, tap on this, and then go ahead and tap on speed up. And so now you have changed the wired charging mode to fast charging. Press home, and you can go ahead and charge your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So that is how to turn on fast charging on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.